artificial intelligence isn't just coming, it's already here. And in 2025, it's about to change the way we work more than ever before. Focus on creativity, emotion, and strategy, the things machines can't truly feel. But it's not just about replacing jobs, it's about creating new ones. Roles like AI trainers, prompt engineers, and automation managers are becoming some of the fastest growing careers in the world. So, what can you do? Start learning how to work with AI, not against it. Even simple tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Notion AI can make you faster, smarter, and more creative. Because the truth is, AI won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI probably will. This is AIMode, your shortcut to the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart, simple videos about how AI is changing our world.